Today I will show you how to install the necessary software for the Mac OS or Apple chip M2 for developing the web application by using the Nodejs like React, Angular, or developing the mobile application. Okay, here is a list of software you have to install. The first of all, you have to install the Visual Studio Code. You can download the Visual Studio Code on their official website. You have download the Mac Universal version. The next, you have to install the Xcode if you want to develop in the mobile application, like using the React Native. You can download the Xcode in the Apple Store. Okay, so the next one is the Git. If you install the Xcode, you don't need to install extra Git because it's already included in the Xcode. The next one is installing the Nodejs. My suggestion is you install the Nodejs via Brew because it will help you to prevent some unexpected issue when you install the global Nodejs package like Yarn or something like that. So the first you have to install the Homebrew via this command, and then you can install the Nodejs by using this command. Okay, so if you want to develop the Android app, you can install the Android Studio Apple chip. You can install it by download the Android Studio in the official website. You can install it. And if you want to communicate with your team, you can install Slack. Here, you can install Slack for your MacBook. And if you want to use the new generator of the package manager, you can install the Yarn via npm command here. And if you want to work with the API, you can use the Postman. You can download the Postman on the official website. Yeah, but if you use the Mac Apple chip, you can download this version. Okay, that's all the software you need to develop in the web app, or also the mobile app. Okay, for example, if you want to test a static website, like the HTML file, show you. I will create a new HTML file here. Open the terminal folder and type here and now you can open the Visual Studio Code that you just installed. For the Visual Studio Code, you can install the extension you need. I will make another video to do that. For now, just create the simple static website so we can check our tools. To start this static website, you can use Python 3. Okay, so now you can access to the local host with 8,000 ports to access this website. Okay, let's try to do that. Here you see it work. Okay, thank you for your watching.